Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this video, we are taking an in-depth look at Onyx EA by developer Aliaksandr Chupryna. Before jumping into the details, let us address platform compatibility right away. The developer offers dedicated versions for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, titled Onyx MT4 and Onyx MT5. Okay, so regardless of which platform you prefer, the underlying strategy logic is available for both MT4 and MT5. Looking at the marketplace listing, the EA is listed at $100. The primary design focus here is trading XAUUSD, which is gold, specifically targeting breakouts of daily price levels. The core strategy operates by automatically calculating the previous day's high and low, then placing buy stop and sell stop pending orders around those key levels. Now, every order placed comes with a built-in stop loss, take profit, and a customizable trailing stop that dynamically shifts the protective level behind the price movement. On the MT5 version, the EA features 4 distinct execution blocks, allowing traders to set different stop loss, take profits, and trailing stop configurations across trades. Okay, the developer highlights the H1 time frame as the primary setup. Okay, though it can be applied to any time frame chart, and strongly recommends using a low spread broker. Now, one crucial note for backtesting is that you must manually input the GMT difference parameter, whereas on live or demo accounts, the GMT offset is determined automatically. Okay, so now looking at the inputs in our strategy tester environment, we can see how these parameters translate into control over the EA's risk exposure. Under general parameters, the options like distance to order determine how far off the pending order sit from daily extremes, while transfer to break even lets you secure trades as price moves in your direction. Okay, then under the risk management, options allow dynamic lot calculation based on risk percent or fixed scaling. You also see individual sets, set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. Now, in that case, you can independently toggle specific trading blocks on or off while setting distinct stop loss and trailing stop distances. But then let's just quickly transition directly into our historical backtest analysis. The developer did not provide so many information for us here on the marketplace page. Okay, so let's just quickly go to my strategy tester right away. All right, so for this test, we evaluated the Onyx expert advisor for MT5 on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over a testing period running from January 1st, 2026 to July 22nd, 2026. And then we actually had a 99% history quality tick data with a starting deposit of $10,000. Now, I'm going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market and market conditions. All right, so reviewing the completed historical chart activity allows us to see how the breakout logic played out in practice. Around key daily level transitions, the EA deployed its buy stop and sell stop pending orders. Now, in instances where momentum triggered an order, for example, on the 2nd of January, the trade executed and was managed closely with trailing stop adjustments. On field pending orders on non-trending days, we automatically cancel at set intervals. Now, from the trade log, if we go to the trade log, actually, if we are going to just view the report, the tester report can actually be downloaded, and then after downloading it, you can actually view the trade log. All right, so basically from the trade log, position holding times were remarkably short. All right, and The average holding time was just 27 seconds, with the maximum trade duration lasting only 4 minutes and 17 seconds. So this confirms that the EA functions as a quick breakout harvester, seeking to capture initial momentum past daily levels and exiting rapidly rather than sitting exposed to long-term market swings. Okay, so now looking at the final performance metrics from this historical run, the system generated 123 total trades over the tested period, yielding 89 winning trades, giving an overall win rate of roughly 72.36%. The long trades won at 73.44%, while short trades won at 71.19%. The overall profit factor came in at 27.03, supported by a recovery factor of 20.51 and a Sharpe ratio of 27.69. Okay, so when reviewing drawdown metrics, the maximal equity drawdown recorded was 8.35. Okay, while the relative equity drawdown reached 52.9%. Now, understanding drawdown from a trader's perspective is critical. In this specific test setup, aggressive lot sizing parameters such as a 50% risk percentage setting amplified both equity growth and drawdown swings. Now, it is important to remember that historical testing performance is strictly an observational tool and should never be treated as a guarantee of future profits. Real-world performance on live accounts can vary significantly based on user settings, lot sizing, broker execution speed, live spread expansion on gold, slippage during breakouts, and changing market volatility. That is why optimizing risk settings to fit your personal risk tolerance is essential. Okay. In conclusion, Onyx EA offers a structured, automated approach for traders interested in daily level breakouts on gold. It may be particularly suitable for traders who favor tight momentum-based entries with defined automated exits and trailing stops rather than long-term position holding. However, no expert advisor is universally suitable for every trading style or market environment. So I strongly encourage everyone to conduct their own thorough backtesting and forward test the EA on a demo account first to evaluate how it performs under your specific broker conditions. All right, so if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. And also don't forget to share the video to other trader friends who you think are going to find it valuable, especially those who are looking for expert advisors to use. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you once again, and I wish you a very happy and successful trading.